Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. What you're seeing over here is the newly launched Kinetic. This is the DX. There are two variants, DX and DX Plus. But over here, I'm not for this. I am here for this. Now, this is where it all started. This is the original Kinetic DX. And this scooter belongs to a very dear friend of mine, that is Adil Jal Daru Khanawala, and this is a very special scooter. Now, a few specifications about this scooter is that this was launched back in 1984. This particular model that you see over here is from 1988. Now, just look at this. And this scooter has a very big history over here. You can see that it went through the Sahara desert. You can see Operation Sahara attack, and the sticker is right over here. So this scooter went actually all the way across 6,500 kilometers in about 22 to 21 days. And they crossed this. Obviously the whole scooter was stock, but only the tires had been modified. Now if I can just show you the scooter from the side, that's the iconic spare wheel of the scooter. Then you have the sticker that I was showing right over here by Gulf, Kinetic Honda DX. Now this is completely restored. That is how the cluster used to look like. You had a fuel gauge, you had the speedometer gauge, you had the oil light over here. This is your indicator. That is for your high beam and low beam. These were the switchgear qualities back then. And if you come at the front over here, you can see you get this iconic headlight with the indicators on either side. Now, an interesting fact about these indicators were, back then when the scooter was launched, indicators were an option, so you had to pay extra to get indicators. I don't think I have, but I just got to know about this. And yeah, obviously you can see Car and Bike International sticker right over here. And this is a very special scooter. This is what started, and this is what now Kinetic is now. It's become electric. This is 2-stroke, and if we talk a little bit about the specifications of the scooter, it's a 100cc 2-stroke engine producing around 6.5 bhp of power, around 9.8 Nm of peak torque, and obviously the top speed was around 100 kilometers an hour. As you can see, it used to go beyond as well. You got 110 mm disc brake on either sides. Some storage space. Back then you had to lock it and this thing opens up and you could keep some stuff over here. A legendary scooter. This is what started Kinetic in India. So this is the original Kinetic Honda DX. Kinetic Honda, as in it was in partnership with Honda. So as you can see, Kinetic Honda over here. At the same place, you can see Kinetic right over there. So the shape of the scooter kind of remains the same, but obviously with modern technologies. We have made a separate video on this. You can go check this out. But in the meanwhile, this is what I came here for, and this is what I wanted to show you. Once again, 6,500 kilometers of full crossing the Sahara desert in about 20 to 22 days is what this scooter did non-stop. It has set a lot of world records, including going to the highest motorable road. This was the first scooter to go to Khardungla. And this also, they actually switched on the scooter and they put it on full accelerator, or I think they started it and they kept it running for more than, I'm assuming, 40-45 days, and that's at a Guinness World record without stopping the scooter. They just started adding fuel and this was continuously on. So a lot of records this scooter has broken, and this is the original Kinetic DX, the Kinetic Honda DX. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channel. I'm Pramit signing out. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.